dear friends, welcome back to my channel Home Decor by Manur. We will bring you the latest trends and design in home decor. In today's video, we are thrilled to present the newest croquet cushion cover design for 2023 for your living room. Perfect for adding a touch of warmth and coziness to any living space. Are you ready to elevate your home decor with stunning croquet cushion covers? You're in the right place. We will showcase variety of innovative designs and patterns that will inspire you to get crafty and transform your cushions into works of art. Join us where we explore the intricacies of croquet cushion cover design, from classic granny squares to modern geometric patterns. Whether you are a seasoned croqueter or just starting out, there's something for everyone in this collection of croquet cushion cover designs. Discover the beauty of handmade craftsmanship as we delve into the art of croquet. With just a hook and some yarn, you can create beautiful and unique cushion covers that reflect your personal style and creativity. From bold and vibrant colors to soft and muted tones, we will explore a range of color palettes that will complement any home decor scheme. Learn how to mix and match colors to create stunning visual effects and add personality to our set. But in this, it is not just about the aesthetics. Crockett cushion cover also offer practical benefits. We will discuss the durability and versatility of croquet as a textile medium, highlighting its ability to withstand everyday use and maintain its shape and color over time. Looking to add a touch of handmade charm to your home, croquet cushion covers are the perfect solutions. With our step-by-step tutorials and expert tips, you will learn how to croquet your own cushion cover with ease, even if you are a complete beginner. Whether you prefer traditional croquet techniques or modern interpretations, there is no limit to creativity. You can unleash with croquet cushions coverage. Join us on this journey as we explore the endless possibilities of croquet and home decor. These designs you will love, and the color combination is so beautiful in these designs. You can made and you can buy you from the Amazon or other things. You can also use our channel for more home decor ideas. Home decor by Manur will provide you the clothes and all the needs you need for your home decoration, from living room to bedroom, kitchen decoration, and your home garden, as well as for your decorator ideas. These designs will love you all, and you will find these designs very beautiful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. I will upload more important home decoration ideas that will you need to beautify and make your home more beautiful. So grab your croquet hook and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor ideas and DIY tutorials. And please keep on watching my videos and sharing with your friends, as you need these for your home decoration friends. I hope you will love these designs, and I hope you will like them. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. These are designs are most beautiful and authenticated, and these are made from the more material